Brewferm, bringing unique Belgian craft brewing tradition to you. Now you can brew and share with friends your own Belgian-style beer. The Brewferm home brewing kits will make it easy. Just follow these instructions. First, thoroughly clean and sterilize all equipment with ChemiPro Oxy included in the kit. Then, open the Brewferm Craft Brew Mix. Enjoy a glass of brew for some inspiration. Heat the Brewferm Craft Brew Mix to make it more fluid. Pour the Craft Brew Mix into the fermentation bucket. Heat the water. Dissolve the sugar in the warm water. Add the sugar solution to the fermentation bucket with Craft Brew Mix. Add extra cold water. Mix everything thoroughly. When the wort mixture is cooled down, add the yeast. Now, you can close the fermentation bucket. Place the airlock filled with water into the bucket lid. Leave your wort to ferment for 1 to 2 weeks. Be patient. Use Brewferm Hydrometer to determine if your beer is ready for bottling. When your young beer is ready, carefully fill up the well-cleaned bottles. Add 1 bottle shot carbonation drop in each bottle. Seal your bottles with crown caps. You can also use flip-top bottles. Allow for 6 weeks for fermentation and ripening in the bottles. When the time comes, taste, enjoy, and repeat. Share your Belgian homebrew with friends. Visit brewferm.com for detailed instructions and complete Brewferm assortment. Cheers!